Hi students, good morning to everyone. Today I am going to be teach a subject of communicative English. In the previous sessions we discussed about what is the communications and how many classifications of the communications, what is oral and written communications. Now we discuss about writing and reading skill. A story which you may be read in the lower classes and you may be studied it in the lower classes. This is a popular story which is a greedy farmer which had a hen and it lays a golden egg every day. The farmer sell it to the market and he got huge amount of money. But his greedy is never let him and he have to kill the hen and take more eggs from it and uh, finally he did not find any egg and he was disappointed. He could not get any golden egg. So this story is telling us the greedy which lead you to destroy. Here in the previous class I said to you that you have to be read a story or a newspaper loudly because it may be helpful you to increase the communications and increase the wordings pronunciations. Here we have to be reading and writing skill. First we read this story. A farmer, first we have to be write the title, the greedy farmer. A farmer was lived in a village. His name was Richard. He had a hen. The hen used to lay a golden egg every day. The farmer sell it into the market and got huge amount of money. Soon he became rich. He got a big house built. But the farmer was very greedy. He wanted to get more eggs every day. He thought, at present I am getting eggs every day. This is not enough. Why should I not get all the eggs at a time? So I must kill the hen to get all the golden eggs at a time. And the greedy farmer killed the hen. And he did not find any egg. He was very sad. He could not get golden egg now. This happened only due to his greediness. So you have to be read a story or a text loudly, and you have to be take a practice to be develop a story with the help of hints. Look on the screen. Hints are given. Farmer in a village and then dash had a hen dash golden egg. Farmer become a rich by selling of golden egg dash greedy dash thought to get all eggs at a time dash killed the hen dash found no eggs. So here it we have to be you have to be take a practice to be develop a story with the help of hints. First you have to be understand the concept in the hints. Then you give the title to the story. As possible as you have to be write the story it and take more practice. It will help you to be improve your English. It is clear a reading and writing skill is also important to be fluency English. Next you can see the pictures which is displayed on the screen. By using these pictures, by using this image, you have to be develop a story. It will be improve your English skill, and your communications may be improved. This is a this is a image of a student, a child, the regular routine of a child. In the beginning photos, which is says the child is wake up on the early morning, then he had a breakfast, then he had bath, and he checked the homework, then go to the school, and he studied in the school, and finally he left from this school. This pictures is clearly stated the regular routines of the child, uh, and how he have to spend his entire day, and what is the activities that he performed in the time, in the day. Therefore, these two work, this the first one is an reading and writing skill, and develop a story using a image, develop a story by hints using these hints, and develop a story using this image. In the first pictures, which is clearly stated, which have 5 photos of the child. A child wake up early in the morning, then he take food, then he take bath, and finally he had check the homework, and he go to the school. And in the school, he have some of the friends of the child is waiting, and some of them are to be looking on the windows outside, and some of them are entered in the school, some of them are to be coming to the school campus, and finally the bell is rang, the teacher is to be enter in the class, and he teach to the students. You can be see this on the third photo, it is clearly illustrated. uh, Students are to be sitting on the individual tables, and clock is available in the classroom, and blackboard is there, and the teachers is written some mathematical oriented problems in the on the board, and the some of the tools, that is then tables, and other tools are to be available in the classroom, and all the students are observing the lectures of the teacher, and one of the boy is standing near from the teacher. So all of you be observing, and some of the students are to be writing the work that ought to be in on the board. So it is and finally the fourth pictures, which is stated that finally the school is to be, and the school time is over, and all the students is left to and back to home, left from the school, and back to home. This story is developed by the image. There is nothing in the image, there is no contact no contents in the image, no text in the images. You have to be develop the story in your own words. It will lead you to be improve your English skill. Many of you may be very well in your mother language or regional language, but many of you are not be very good in English. However, when you are taking more practice and when you are to be often using English sentence, English talking English with your friends and society and your family, it will help you to be to develop your English communication. Therefore, with this follow, I give assignment to you. You have to be develop a story of a village market, and assignment of the develop the hints. I given the hints how to be develop a story of this by using these hints. A monkey on the tree with fruit and dash a river out of and the bank. A crocodile gave a fruits to become friends. Greedy wife the monkey's heart. Then dash mid stream dash truth quickly climbed up that tree. So this also a very popular story. You students to be submit this assignment in the next class. And you have two assignment. One assignment you have to be develop a story using this image. So it is clearly illustrated. It is a village market, and many peoples are buying and some peoples are selling the vegetables, groceries and fruits, and a child is to be standing near a man, and a man is buying a vegetable from the seller, and near a woman some of the merchant is selling a fish, and a old man is buying a fish from the seller. And the next image which is clearly stated, a bullock cart is standing near the tree, and under the tree some of the women are sitting, and some of may be moving on the market. So therefore this is a story which is you have to be developed, and you have to be take practice. How many items are to be visible here, and what are the items you may be observe. First you have to be observe the stories, observe the image, then you write the story, right? Then you write the story as possible as you show your talent during the writing. Here the assignment which is a crocodile and monkey relationships, and how the monkey is cheat with the crocodile. So this ought to be clearly, you have to be prove your skill, English skill and talent. So this is a two assignment. You have to be try it, and we will see it in the next class. I would like to be conclude this class. We will see in the next class. Thank you.